You have clicked on this video. It means you have come to the right place. Today I'll show you best sidechain methods in FL Studio with stock plugin. Number 1. Sidechain compression with Fruity Limiter. Connect kick track in mixer to bass track. Put Fruity Limiter on bass track. With the kick mixer track selected, right-click the little white arrow where the green line connects to the bass track, and click Sidechain to this track. I think this just lowers the input volume. In Fruity Limiter on bass track, in Compressor tab, right-click Sidechain and select kick. Lower threshold all the way. Raise the release a lot. Number 2. Sidechain compression in FL Studio using the peak controller. On the kick channel, add Fruity Peak Controller from the Effects section. Ensure the bass dial is set to 50% for now. Go to the bass channel and select a node in Fruity Parametric EQ 2 feet that corresponds to the frequency where the kick hits hardest, around 50 Hz. Right-click the gain slider of this EQ node and select Link to Controller. In the Internal Controller section, choose Peak Control, Peak, from the kick channel. Set the mapping formula to inverted. Number 3. Sidechain with GrossBeat. Just drop GrossBeat on the target channel S and edit a volume slot to directly control the volume dynamics. GrossBeat makes sidechaining lot easier and allows you to achieve more precise volume envelope characteristics, so you get just the right bounce. Number 4. Sidechain compression using automation clips. Create an automation clip in Fruity Balance. Shape your automation clip. It's easy to get a visual of how your curve should look if you use patterns for your drums.